Hey Gab, how's the trip?
It was good, but I still felt uncomfortable on my flight. I mean, it was just as unsanitized as normal. All they gave us was a single disposable wipe.
Yuck. There has to be some type of solution. There's cleaning protocols in place, but it's clear that things are missing from them. Oh, did you hear about that one company? I think they call themselves Eir Clean Company. They made this robot called the ValkEire. It seems perfect for that problem.
Hi, my name is Ella.
I'm Natalie.
I'm Gabby.
And I'm Kirsten. We are Eir Clean Company, and our product is the ValkEire. Eir Clean Company, or ECC, is dedicated to protecting airline passengers and crew by cleaning airplanes one flight at a time. Eir Clean Company is named after the Norse goddess of health and well-being. We believe in the safety of airline passengers, pandemic or not, and hope to achieve customer satisfaction within the aviation industry. Air travel has never had the best reputation when it comes to the health and safety of their crew, pilots, and passengers, but our ValkEire device is plotted to reform the industry. The ValkEire is an autonomous robot created to change the outlook of aviation using UVC lighting and disinfectant mist to properly sanitize aircraft. ECC's technology and business development is crucial in our goal to make customers safer and healthier on their trips around the world. Ella, will you explain the technology Eir Clean Company plans to integrate and our specialized features?
Sure, no problem. The ValkEire is a fully autonomous device, meaning no human operation necessary, that is meant to fully sanitize and kill germs in aircraft at the touch of a button. Unlike our competitors, such as Germ Falcon, the ValkEire is able to provide the full cleaning experience that an aircraft cabin lacks a day, completely autonomously and much more thoroughly. Our system features a vacuum, expandable wings with xenon pulse lamps, and chemical cleaning spray to safely and effectively sanitize aircraft. The lack of a need for the redesign of planes means that the ValkEire can easily be retrofitted into older commercial aircraft models. Shown here in our CAD model, the ValkEire is significantly smaller and more compact than our main competitor, the Germ Falcon. The ValkEire base is 20 by 20 inches and 30 inches tall when all pieces are folded in. Our product's ability for the wings to slide into each other, then fold and retract into the base allows the ValkEire to have a more streamlined design that fits and can stay on an airplane, unlike other cleaning systems.
Here on the wings, the UVC light is housed, which will span the length of a row of seats. Also attached to the wings is the spray nozzles, which will deposit our disinfectant onto the seats and other aircraft surfaces. The robot base, located here, houses the disinfectant canisters, the battery, the vacuum, and other electronic pieces. Sensors are also attached for locating obstructions in the path and ensuring that the ValkEire is running in the correct position. There is one color sensor facing up to align with tape on the aircraft ceiling, and one in front to assist the touch sensor in finding objects further ahead. The touch sensor allows the device to avoid or pick up obstructions. The ValkEire prototype has already been tested and the autonomous design seems feasible. The LEGO prototype that ECC constructed in their early phases allows us to demonstrate and see how our design will ultimately be carried out.
The ValkEire is a highly sophisticated way of cleaning aircraft that is bound to be the future of both passenger safety and well-being. We cannot wait to test it out in the market. Speaking of the market, Gabby, would you care to explain how we plan to take Eir Clean Company into the aviation industry?
Wow, that sure is a lot of technology, but here at ECC we know that it's all for the rebirth of the aviation economy. While the sanitization issues found in many commercial aircraft have been around for decades, COVID-19 pandemic has brought public attention of the cleanliness of shared spaces into the public's mind. Although there are some airline-specific solutions, there is yet to be an industry-wide rollout beyond those operated by the passengers, such as the aforementioned single-use sanitization wipes. Here in our budget, we have identified the approximate cost that it will take to launch ECC during the next couple of years. With the aid of prospective private investors, grants such as the Levinson MIT Research Grant, or other financial aid programs, ECC believes that during the next 6-quarter period displayed on our cost analysis sheet, we will have acquired enough funding to create a prototype and be well on our way to producing a profit. After the development of a fully operational prototype, we will reevaluate our financials based on more realistic metrics and investigate possible business partnerships that would be needed to break into the market. The current barrier to entry is the largest obstacle within the market for us, because although we outperform our competition with cost, size, and function, more business connections are going to be needed before we approach companies such as airlines.
Experienced pilot Bob Moser and the recently retired captain Hal Myers were given an interesting point.
First of all, our job as the pilots on the airplane are always the number one job is always the health and safety of our passengers and our crew.
They also add the following.
If you can show that your product produces a measurable difference and a measurable advantage, I think it's definitely something that they'll listen to.
How many times have we heard, Hal, we're a data-driven airline?
This valuable insight will definitely assist us in understanding the market and advertising our product.
Natalie, care to wrap up?
All right, Eir Clean Company strives for the impacts on the people. We believe that there is a chance to make air travel safer and healthier for the future, making sure passengers stay healthy for their vacations and crews stay healthy serving their communities. Eir Clean Company is not just about planes. The technology found in the ValkEire is easily modifiable and reprogrammable to be fitted towards other commercial transportation spaces. Through this, Eir Clean Company is confident about what we can bring to the table, creating an opportunity for growth later down the line and providing adaptability for the future. We understand the concerns about the comfort of airline passengers, but with the ValkEire, travelers and airplane crews can rest assured that their transit will be as safe as possible. The ValkEire will bring change in the growing and adapting market, terminating germs and effectively making a difference in the world that needs it.
Wow, I wish that had been around for my flight. It definitely would have made me feel a whole lot safer about traveling again.
I completely agree. Eir Clean Company is improving the quality of passenger safety, which is crucial to the survival of the commercial airline industry. It almost makes me excited to fly again.